Happy 2021! Finally, the year that we've all been waiting for is here, and I hope, and pray with all my heart that this year to you is exactly what you've imagined it to be and much more. Welcome back to another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke saath. My name is Tanishka, and today, since it's the second day of the year, I thought why not I share with you something that is super close to my heart. Dance. So I don't know if many of you all know, actually obviously majority of you all will not know. I used to love dance as a kid, okay? Like इतना पसंद था ना मुझे that in any family function, even like I'm talking about 4 years old Tani, okay guys, any family function, anything, I used to take it as my responsibility in my head. Totally imagined in my head, ऐसे कोई बोलता नहीं था, that it is my job to entertain everybody, okay? It is my job to do dancing. कितने फंक्शंस में तो मैंने टीवी पे बोले चूड़ा लगा के टीवी को फेस करके नाचा है, बिकॉज यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर. So basically, yeah, point being, I have loved dancing ever since I was a kid. Like I could dance at the drop of a hat. Literally, I love dancing. Now, as I've spoken about in I think 2-3 videos back or 2 videos back, whatever, that I had put on a lot of weight after a certain age, because of which I became very body conscious, especially for dancing, okay? So even if I would want to, I would hold myself back saying nahi yaar, nahi karna, and she's like that. So obviously dancing छूट गया, and बहुत साल बाद in my college, in my first year of college, first year of degree college, we had a play, a marked play. So it was not like kuch fun, it was actually marked play in which I had to dance and I had to do a solo performance. So I honestly jumped to the opportunity, even though I was really body conscious. I told myself ki yaar ek chance mein Tani, don't lose it, just agree. And I agreed, though in my head I was shit nervous, but I just agreed. And that, guys, till date has been the life-changing experience moment for me. A life-changing experience moment for me. I will never ever forget that 25-30 second ka performance. It was not even that great, it was damn simple, but just the fact that I actually came up and I danced in front of so many people after so long, I can't tell you. I literally remember that day as if kal hua hai, when it's actually been, I think, 4 to 5 years to it. I'm getting goosebumps, guys, while talking about it. I can literally remember that entire day. Subha, when I was getting ready, when I reached college, when we were doing a run through the play, and when that performance happened, oh my god, I cannot tell you how I felt. And I think I just needed that push, it was that moment, and since then there's been no looking back. After that, I think 2 years later, I officially started training for dance. And let me tell you one thing, I am not the best dancer. I really am not. I know my body is very stiff. Itne saal nahi naach ke, because of whatever body image issues and whatever, I have abused my body. Even in my weight loss journey, I have done things which are not that good. I have injured my muscles to the point that they are beyond repair maybe. And I know it. And all of that definitely affects your dance, right? It's affected mine as well. So I know that I have not yet reached there. And I know that there are people who are much better than me and much more professional than me, and it's okay. I the fact that I admit it is good enough for me, and I will get there. I will definitely get there. I am working towards that, and man mein hai vishwas, guys, legit. Man mein hai vishwas. It's just about keep going, and I am motivated enough to go about it. I remember when I entered my studio, it was obviously, like I spoke about in I think one of my start videos, it was the most surreal moment. It was the vibe was so good. But obviously when you dance amidst professionals, you do get a little insecure, and so did I. Like, I won't even call it insecure. I think I'll call it, I can't give a word right now, but that feeling when you see everyone around you so good, like they're on level 10 and you're on level 0. That sinking kind of feeling? I felt that, and I felt that a lot. I still feel it so many times. But like I said, it's just about going on. I know that I have to go on. People say when you do something that you're super passionate about, you're a completely different person. That's absolute rubbish for me, at least. For me, I'm an absolutely different person otherwise. When I dance, I'm the realest, that's not even what, I'm the most real form of myself. I can express myself best when I dance. And I'm not the best at expressing myself like face to face, but I feel like when I'm dancing, I have that joy of just expressing myself. And that's why over a point, I don't even care about the choreography. I'm like, as long as I can feel it, that's all that matters. You know, years ago and even recently, somebody gave me a compliment, and I think, actually, I'll tell you two incidents, okay? So, one major compliment that people tell me is that, Tani, when you dance, we feel, हमें भी नाचना है, because you just look like you don't care. You're having so much fun, you're out there. And that's all that matters. Even if there are 20,000 people better than me, it's the vibe, right? End of the day, you are gonna watch me only if you connect to my vibe. And it's not even about you watching me. It's okay. Don't watch me. I'm dancing for myself. I'm feeling that vibe. And उससे ज़्यादा क्या important है? And इससे भी बड़ा compliment मुझे मिला था, because of which I actually thought about, starting to train in dance and actually, give it a shot. Is I remember years ago, I think this was, I don't know, kitne bhi 3-4 years ho gaya hoga. So I was randomly dancing. I remember the song also, which was it? I'll tell you one second. Sweetie Tera Drama from Bareli Ki Barfi. I was randomly dancing on Sweetie Tera Drama in front of the mirror because मेरे को guys ऐसे बहुत कीड़े मचते हैं life में. So मैं बहुत करती रहती हूँ, and because of that, so Sweetie Tera Drama was playing and I was randomly dancing in front of the mirror. Randomly, कुछ choreography नहीं, कुछ नहीं, just moving about to the music and everything. And my mom was sitting. And, I didn't even realize that she was watching me. So she was watching TV, okay? उसी रूम में TV था. She was watching it. I didn't care. मैं side में headphones पे लगाए थे गाने. नहीं, headphones पे नहीं, sorry. Normally गाने लगाए थे. And she was watching TV and I was dancing there. So then I didn't realize that she's watching me. And 2 minutes later, like 2 or 5-6 minutes later, whenever I stopped dancing, I just looked and like, oh, she's looking at me. She's like, you were having so much fun. Then मेरा एक सेकंड के लिए दिल किया कि मैं भी उठ के नाच लूँ तेरे साथ. And I think that till date has been the best touchwood compliment that I have ever received. Because, like I said, it's about the vibe. That means it was not about how good I am or how bad I am. The steps at that time, possibly were God knows what. It was about she saw that vibe. She saw me having so much fun. And she felt it. That energy was infectious. And that now only happens जब तुम दिल से कुछ कर रहे हो. At least for me, I can't talk about everybody else. At least I believe in that. So like I said, when I dance, I'm not a different person. When I dance, I'm Tani. I'm the most real form of Tani. And that's why even though I am not the best, and even though there are possibly millions of people way, way better than me, I am walking through this journey. Because I know that something that gives me so much joy, I need to at least give it a little bit time for me to get better at it. Like they say, it's not the skill, it's the will. और dancing के लिए मेरे पास बहुत सारा will है. Bad joke. Actually, it's not a joke, guys, but bad overacting. So, yeah, that was me just wanting to share with you guys randomly something that, like I said, is very close to my heart and will always be. I really hope that, I never stop dancing, because that will just, I don't know, I just feel that, dancing genuinely makes me happy. I've seen days when I've been so low, like, randomly low hote hain, or even sick for that matter. I've seen days when I've been actually sick, like really sick, but I force myself to go for a dance class or something, and it's like, wo nahi hota magical drops somebody's put, and I'm like, wow. So my mom has this joke कि वैसे सारा दिन I'm not well ये सब चलता रहता है, यहाँ पे दर्द है वहाँ पे दर्द है, और क्लास होते ही भाई सब दर्द भूल जाते हैं. And that's the beauty ना, when you like something so much, you just want to do it, सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के, literally. And that's dance for me. That's dance for me. So I don't know what you guys can take away from this. I hope you do. Maybe follow your passion. I think that's what you can take away from it. But yeah, दिल किया शेयर करने का, दिल की बातें थी तो सोचा कर लेते हैं. Because anyway, साल की शुरुआत में कुछ अच्छी बातें करनी थी. I didn't want to take up a sad topic or anything. Not that मेरे पास topics का भंडार है guys. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about something nice because I wanted to start the year on a happy note, and I hope that this year is as happy for you as this video made me. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week, same day, same time. I also upload dance videos under the hashtag Dance with Tani every Wednesday, so do check it out. Until then, lots and lots of love.